How to see who you blocked on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on your profile. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll find three dots beside Edit Profile. Click on three dots. In here, simply click on Activity Log. In Activity Log, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Connections. Scroll down to Friends. Then simply click on Filters. Then click on Categories. You'll find Blocked option at the last. Click on Blocked. And in here you'll find who you blocked on Facebook. This is how to see who you blocked on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.